Guys, that's gonna be all for tonight. I'm gonna try to go on and get on this again in the morning. But y'all see where we're going with this. We're gonna hit and tang, obviously. And we're gonna get it done, man. Appreciate y'all for riding along with this. Hey guys, check this out, man. I cheated a little bit. Actually, I just forgot. Just set up the camera. I've got my shoulders cut in here for the guard. Got my tang thinned out. She's still just a little bit too long, you know. But what we're gonna do now is cutting this choil that I've got marked here. It will not stay the same shape. We're gonna experiment this time, but maybe something a little pretty, I don't know. Y'all come along for that. Slid this belt off the edge of my platen, y'all. Alright, I got me a little cut in there now. We're gonna get on it with a file and see what we can do to clean that up a little. Sometimes you have to try things to see if they work and go back to your original plan. Alright guys, I won't know till I get in the house and look at it, but it seems I've been taking pictures. So here's what I've done. I've got the handle cut down to about the approximate length I want it. Soften up the edges, I've got it flattened. And it's basically the same width, you know, all the way down. Got me some shoulders cut for a good guard fit up. Got my shoulders flat. And I've got my choil in and cut rounded the way I want. We're gonna do this one a little bit different this time. See what we'll come up with. Next thing we're gonna do on it is y'all see all of these dark marks right here and these scratches. I gotta get it flat. So here again, I wonder while I'm doing my sanding, if there's anybody out there that knows, let me know what happens whenever you start with a certain number of layers and you lose it to decarb or carbon migration, whatever you want to call it, and then you got to flatten out the piece. Let me know what that does to your layer count, y'all. All right, guys, what we've done here is, to the best of our ability with what we have here at our shop, we have flattened this out, got it ready for a little bit of preheat tree bevels. All right, y'all, got to get busy on some other stuff. I'll be back.